This presentation is for Deliverable 1, Attracting the Eyes of the Viewer. Hello, my name is Angela, and I am a parent of Ensley, who is in the first grade at the Farmington Elementary School. I have decided to submit a flyer for the field day competition, and I believe would best attract the eyes of the parents and promote our 2018 field day event. Starting with color choices, for the title and information located at the bottom of the flyer, I chose to use blue and red. Since these are primary colors, it not only attracts the parents' attention to the purpose of the flyer, but allows them to subjectively analyze and associate that flyer's content as it relates to their child and a children's event taking place with the school. Continuing with color choices, I used a warm color scheme for the flyer's content because, according to Carrie Cousins, a media and design expert, warm colors are inviting, happy, and cozy. These colors can create an active response in the brain and bring feelings of excitement, which is the response we want from the parents, to be excited about the upcoming field day. The use of comparative colors were also used on the two representational elements of the sun, which is the color of yellow that is usually associated with the form of imagery, and the ticket, which has been colored green to associate that information with money, since the information in that section regards raffle ticket costs. The use of comparative colors on this image was done so strategically to communicate to parents that the associated information is regarding prior to them even reading it. Next, I believe my use of lines throughout the flyer does a great job in capturing the attention of viewers. Throughout the various elements in the flyer, curved lines have been used and incorporated strategically to give off a more playful quality, since the field day is all about fun for the family. To capture the attention of the viewer for the most vital information, the time, place, and date of the event, grouped lines were used because it makes it easier to read and leads the viewer to want to explore the information contained within them. The diagonal lines in the imagery of the sun stimulates and directs the eyes of the parents to the information regarding the food and activities that will be held at the event. I have also incorporated the representational image of the ticket and the sun that, according to visual media expert Robin Landa, helps remind the viewer of the actual objects seen in nature, for communicating the raffle ticket prices and fun they will be having outside under the sun. For achieving balance, the information on the flyer has been evenly distributed on each side or along an imaginary central axis of the image, creating aesthetically pleasing symmetry, which, stated by visual expert Robin Landa, is the key to establishing balance. The key information on the flyer pertaining to time, date, and location of the event, along with the activities and food that will be at the event, are located at the center of the image because this is where the viewer's eyes automatically go when looking at an image. Balance can also be seen throughout the flyer, with the textual elements being uniformed and the type of font used. The centered alignment, along with the even spacing used throughout the entire flyer, adding to the visually appealing symmetry that creates ease of information flow for the viewer. Contrast can be seen in the differing sizes of the text to differentiate main topic items from their subsequent information that's written below. Bolded text is used throughout the image to emphasize the most crucial information to the viewer, so it is not missed. Furthermore, the color of the text is contrasting to the color in its background to allow the information to stand out while adding a more visually appealing and colorful view. In the center of the flyer, the most significant information is placed side by side in differing images, also known as juxtaposition, that clearly shows different information is being communicated in this area of the flyer. Further contrast is seen in the differing text from main heading of the flyer, Field Day, from all other written information on the flyer. In doing so, according to visual expert Robin Landa, the flyer is establishing visual interest and allowing the viewer to distinguish the main reason behind the flyer from the information for the event. Although these contrasting elements exist, they are limited in their amounts to ensure that the flyer does not come across as fragmented or poorly structured. In conclusion, through the strategically placed and used visual elements that are best known to attract eyes of viewers, this flyer will capture both the attention of parents and the excitement associated with this event. Based on my use of colors, lines, balance, contrasts, and the other various visual elements, this flyer should be the chosen design for the field day event at Farmington Elementary School, because its message and information will not go unnoticed when the children bring them home to their parents.